guys, I'm going to be making an easy paper airplane. Do it really fast. You need one blank piece of paper. Okay, and you're just going to fold, take any corner and fold it. Try to like in a triangle, but with another piece in it. Like, here's the triangle, and here's the other piece. And I'll do it on the other side. That. So it has an X. Then you're going to just fold them like both into the middle, like this, with a part sticking out, and then you're going to put that in. Like that. And then you have flaps that you can open. So you have that. Then you're going to take this corner and fold it kind of so it's like sticking out of the page. Like that. And then I'll do it with the other side. Like that. Give it a good crease so it doesn't fall apart. If you want, you can just fold that back. Like that, or you don't have to. I think it makes it a little better, but I think they're the same. If you want to, you can do that. I'm just gonna fold it back. No, I want to fold it back. White shirt. Then you'll fold it like that. So then you'll flip it over so it's like that. Then fold it in half. That way. That. Like that. Then you're going to fold the wings. Just don't fold this edge along the bottom. And do it with the other side. Open the wings up and you have like this. Good. Good airplane. If you want, you can just fold this down, these parts down, these parts, right? The spikes down. And then let's go see how this flies.
Oh. You guys bring firewood in?
Let's try that again. That didn't do very good. This one's not doing very good. Let me try folding this part back. Okay. So now it looks like that. So let's try that. Well, that's actually a whole lot better. Well, let's see how yours does. This one didn't turn out very good. So, see you next time. Bye.